So if you can hear that, that is the big humongous rock saw that is going to be digging up our water line, because it's mostly rock, and so this beast of a machine is going to cut through all that rock so we can lay our pipe down in the ground. So yeah, here it comes. You can probably hear it. Look how far down that rock goes. It's a big rock. He just cut through this like butter. Okay, what is that?
That's a ball valve.
For
Our water hydrant.
woo! We got a water hydrant!
And ball valve for our house.
For the house.
Yep.
We got everything put back together.
Watch. Ready?
We got water.
Can you say woot woot?
All right. We got water to here. We got water to there. Except for it's shut off right now to go to there. To our house. And now we're gonna hook up a hose to the hydrant. That's gonna go over to the camper. Because the pipe that we had to the camper is now underground for our house.
Pretty much an all-day event. He didn't get here till 9:30 and didn't start trenching till 9:45, and he was done by 11.
Yeah, it only took him. He was here total for unloading and loading everything for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Yep.
That big, huge thing. And he was done within that amount of time.
Big
And then
machinery, you can do big things.
it took Jesse and Ty, like, how long to do everything else?
Well, from 11 to, what, 2 maybe? 7 to 2:30.
So like 3 hours.
And then I finished backfilling everything, cleaning things up a little, and this is what we're left with.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Good stuff.
now we have water to our house. Next step is the sewer line from the house to the lagoon. Get the pipe running down it, because he had to also trench over there for us because there was some rock on that side as well. But yeah, we got it all done. One thing that the rock saw did was trench this whole area here for our sewage that comes from out of the house all the way back to the lagoon. So this is from the house portion here, and you have the little clean out, and then it goes all the way back there, and the lagoon is all the way back in there. So we finished that too after the rock saw got through some of the rock we needed to get through, and that's ready to go. We are getting some concrete for our porch today. Okay guys, we have the porch poured. Okay, it is 10 foot wide and 42 feet long. Wow, that's pretty long. And giving you a sneak peek of what's happening. Boop. Some metal's going up. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But we got that finished, and also we got to put our handprints into the front porch area. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. We've got Jesse's, mine, Felicity's. Felicity loves putting her little hand in there. Do you want to put your hand in there? Okay. All right. Is that fun? Is that fun to do?
I see.
You want to see? So yeah, that was a fun little thing we did for the porch, and then we can see it for years to come. And so that's pretty fun. You're still getting a little sneak peek of more that's happening. But yeah, so guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have a lot more updates next week. Are you playing your harmonica? Like Daddy?